Hi, welcome back to your workshop. I'm Jessica. Today I am your host. This is my first time back in the workshop since we've moved here, and so I just figured I'm a little rusty and I ought to do a little bit of forging and get some practice in. So I'm just going to work on a couple of practice pieces, and that's what you're going to see in this video. So let's get started. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. Again, I wasn't making any particular project, just kind of getting warmed up into forging again. It's been about 3 or 4 months really since I've done anything, and with the move and, you know, been busy with that. So yeah, just kind of did these couple of projects. The first one was a leaf, kind of ended up more of a green bean shape, but that's the second one I made today. I practiced one before making this video, and it turned out a little more leaf-like, so I was going for an elongated leaf. And also I made this, it is a napkin holder, or a napkin ring actually. And so it's just kind of going for a little organic viney feel with that. And then lastly I made, I was just kind of practicing doing the rat's tail ends, and kind of ended up looking like a little music note. So anyhow, yeah, that was me today, just kind of playing around in the forge and getting warmed back up. And thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you watching this video. Let me know what you've been up to down in the comments below, and I'll hope to catch up with you soon on a live stream. Take care now. Bye-bye.